In this video, I'm going to show you how to find an ideal keyword for your service business and then generate content that's going to pull people into your orbit. I'll also do the math that shows you how you can generate $300,000 a year in additional recurring revenue. The example I'm using here is for IT services. You want to start with keyword research, and the tool I use is SEMrush. If I type in IT services, look at all the results I get back. Managed services, managed IT services, a whole bunch of these keywords. Lots of search volume every single month, but it's also hard to get ranked. The KD term here, the ones with the colors, are the keyword difficulty. It's a number between 0 and 100. The lower the number, the easier it is to get ranked. You want to get something that's under 20 if you're just getting started. You can see it's going to be hard to get ranked for some of these terms. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shift this just by adding one word, IT services for. The reason is SEMrush will now fill in the blanks. It comes back with IT services for small businesses and a whole bunch of other terms. Now, if you take a look at these keyword difficulties, they're still a little bit on the high side, except for down here. Look at that, IT services for law firms, very low keyword difficulty. And then here's one, IT services for manufacturing, also low difficulty. Let's just dive a little bit deeper into this one. SEMrush found 71 different keywords that relate to this term. Look at this one, managed IT services for manufacturing. This term gets 320 searches a month and has 0 keyword difficulty, which means it is very easy to get ranked on. Let's go a little bit deeper. I can see there are 20 other terms related to that for a total search volume of 450 every single month. Let's do the math here real quick. 450 searches every single month over the course of the year is over 5,000 searches looking for this type of service. If you get ranked in the top 3 of Google, you'll probably get between 10 to 20% of the traffic of those searches. Now think about those numbers. 5,000, 10% of that is 500. 500 people coming to your website that didn't know you before, just were searching for that specific term. Take it one step further. Let's say you put a download offer or something on your website to capture those visitors. And let's say 10% of those turn into qualified leads. That's 50 people you just now gotten as a qualified lead. And let's say you're average at closing deals, 20%. 20% of 50 is 10 new clients in 1 year. Let's say your average client is $2,500 a month, so about $30,000 a year, times 10 new clients, $300,000 in additional annual recurring revenue. Now it's time to write the article. If you use something like ChatGPT or other AI-only tools, you will not get the rich content that Google looks for to get you those high rankings. This is where Make Media can help you completely transform a conversation about things you already know into a really rich article. Watch this. I'm going to hop over to Make Media and I'm going to click on Make Article. A quick note, in Make Media, you can also put buyer personas together. It does this automatically upon setup. I've already created one for a manufacturing company CEO. Here's what a persona looks like. This page is a summary of this persona's goals, values, challenges, pain points, how they get information, and the ways to message them. There's a detailed persona as well, provides lots of information about that specific type of buyer. When I go back to the article I want to create, I can actually select that buyer, and Make Media will identify what I need to say to a manufacturing CEO about this topic. I'm going to select consideration as their buyer journey stage. And again, the persona I want to reach is the manufacturing CEO, and then the keywords that I'd like to use. In a minute, Make Media comes back with an article outline that's designed to reach that persona. Now I can take a look at the outline and use it as is, or I can make some changes. In this one, I want to focus more on ROI. So I'll add that in here. When I click Refine, Make Media updates the outline to be more focused on what I want to talk about. And you can see that here. The full outline is updated. And the nice thing about the outline is it's designed to just ask me questions on things that I know. Once I click Accept and Continue, it goes to the spot where it will ask me questions, and all I have to do is click the Start button and start talking. Now you might be thinking, well, I might get tongue-tied. I don't know what to say. Make Media can help you. There's a button here called What Should I Say? And if you click that, it will actually give you specific words that you can use in the conversation. As you read this out loud, it'll spark ideas, case studies, analysis, use cases that you want to include as part of your dialogue. Just run through each of these steps, and probably about 10 minutes later, you'll have a full article ready to go. Here's an example of an article I did a little bit earlier. This is the outline, and then I've got the transcript, which is just basically a lot of words of me talking, and then the actual article itself. Make Media transforms the conversation into an SEO-friendly article with the keywords that I'm pursuing. On top of that, it creates social media posts that you can use to expand your reach on LinkedIn. In this video, I showed you how to find money keywords that will generate cash for your business and how to create content that drives in leads to make that cash. Now, if you like this video, please click like and subscribe below. And if you'd like to try Make Media, you can do so by going to makemedia.ai and click Try It Free at the top. I'll see you on the next video.